In a bid to enhance the performance and appeal of the Mercedes-AMG C 63e performance, renowned tuning company MANHART has introduced the CRE 700 refinement package. This unveiling comes in response to the initial rollout of the C 63e performance by Mercedes-AMG, which saw a departure from the traditional V8 engine in favor of a smaller, turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The decision to shift to a smaller engine was met with criticism, with many arguing that it resulted in a loss of prestige for the AMG brand. In response, MANHART has endeavored to restore some of the C63's iconic characteristics with the CRE 700 package. The package includes an MHtronik additional control unit, which significantly boosts the engine's power output to an impressive 725 horsepower, along with a maximum torque of 1,120 Nm. Additionally, the exhaust system has been upgraded with sport downpipes, incorporating 300-cell catalytic converters to provide a more robust and exhilarating sound. However, it's worth noting that these modifications currently lack TV approval and are intended for export only. MANHART has expressed a willingness to adapt the package based on market demand, with the possibility of incorporating TÜV-approved components in the future. While the focus of the CRE 700 package lies primarily on performance enhancements, MANHART has also made subtle changes to the appearance of the C 63e performance. The vehicle's body has been lowered by approximately 20 mm, and MANHART decals and stripes have been added to the black painted body. Furthermore, chrome elements such as the Mercedes star and door handles have been blacked out, contributing to a more cohesive and dynamic aesthetic. Despite the extensive modifications to the engine and exterior, the interior of the C63e performance remains largely unchanged. The vehicle already comes equipped with bucket seats and red accents, reminiscent of the F1 edition base model. MANHART has deemed these features sufficient, recognizing their contribution to the overall sporty and luxurious ambience of the interior cabin. In conclusion, the introduction of the CRE 700 refinement package by MANHART represents a concerted effort to enhance the performance and appeal of the Mercedes-AMG C 63e performance. By addressing criticisms surrounding the shift to a smaller engine and offering significant power upgrades, MANHART aims to redefine the driving experience for enthusiasts, combining power, precision, and elegance in a single package.